Hello friends, artist resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So I'm back with my Friday lineup with friends. Today I'm going to try lace effects, which turned out to be a big fail because of my forgetfulness. So I have been watching lace effect tutorials from Miss Petra Jongbloed. She has been doing experimenting with these technique and I'm so in love with this. So let's see if I can achieve them. I have added the inspiration video link in my description. I have mixed 180 grams of resin and hardener. This resin is 2:1 resin, of which 120 grams is resin and 60 grams is hardener. I have taken these two different teal pigments. One is opaque and one is pearly for the edges, and some alcohol inks for adding in the center. But wait, because of my negligence, the resin got heated up. Ideally, resin should be around 25 or 26 degrees centigrade for this technique, but I did a major mistake which made this creation a big fail. And I forgot to mention that this is a 8-inch mandala tray mold. But as I got late and resin started heating up, so I poured the resin into the mold first, then the teal mixed resin on the borders of this mold. Let's see how pouring the resin in different orders makes different results. First, I will clear out the bubbles that I can see around the details of the mandala. After this, I will drop the alcohol ink in the center. The colors look pretty but no movement in the inks or side colors because of resin getting overheated. So I left it to cure like that for 12 hours. After 12 hours I will demold it, and I simply changed my plan from creating a mandala lace effects tray to mandala bowl. I will give it a bowl shape in this plastic bowl. For more firm shape, I will place some weights on it. It's the next day. Now I remove it from this bowl. Ta-da! It's done. Even though I failed in trying lace effects perfectly, I achieved this beautiful mandala bowl. Now I will simply paint those details by this white acrylic paint from Fevicryl, which I had bought 1.5 years ago. and we are done now. So friends, if you like the creation, please like the video, comment, share and subscribe, and don't go anywhere. We have June's House of Crafts after me, then Miss Coral from Coral Marine Resin Art, Miss Julia from Julia's Crafty Chaos, and Miss Sue from Artsy Doodle 1. As you know, it's Friday lineup day. Thank you so much for supporting my premiere. Let's move ahead to June's House of Crafts. Have a great day everyone. Bye.